Welcome back to our Northeast van life adventures. Today we're taking you along with us for a quick stop and some fun at what we think is one of the best boardwalks of the Northeast, Ocean City, New Jersey.
But it's so fun, like there's just nowhere else like a boardwalk, I think. Boardwalks are just super fun. We are back on the road again. Now we are just crossing from Delaware into New Jersey.
I feel like George Washington.
Crossing the Delaware.
Welcome to New Jersey.
Welcome to New Jersey. So more family and also hopefully some fun beach time. Stay tuned. From Michigan. Here's a cute little car.
Check the mic and make sure it sounds right, boys.
Our main purpose for a stop in New Jersey was to see some of our favorite people on Earth, our teenage niece and nephew.
Nice.
We had a fun evening with them that included a new experience for all of us, indoor glow mini golf.
You have 29, 22, 23, 24.
All right.
This mini golf course had some unusual twists and rules.
Oh boy, oh boy. Whoops. Oh. Okay, we just rolled into Ocean City, New Jersey. A place we used to haunt almost every year. We haven't been back for about a decade, so it's kind of fun to see what has stayed the same and what has changed.
Yeah, it's fun to be here. So this is really cool to be back. I would say a few of my favorite things here are the smells of all the different boardwalk food that smells amazing. Also the smell of the ocean air and the sounds, all the fun, like the noise at the like where all the rides and stuff are. That's actually kind of three things, right? Did I say three? I don't know. Those are my favorite things. But it's so fun. Like there's just nowhere else like a boardwalk, I think. Boardwalks are just super fun.
Ocean City, New Jersey is a family-friendly destination ranked the #1 family beach community in the country by the Travel Channel.
It's a nice way to start the day right here on the boardwalk.
It has 8 miles of beaches and a 2.5-mile long boardwalk, featuring 8 blocks of restaurants, shops, amusement park rides and attractions, and bikes and surreys you can rent.
Another great thing about being at the boardwalk, people watching.
Ocean City is also a dry town, which means there are no bars or alcohol sold within the town. It's always been a favorite destination for us.
Alright, what's your most popular donut? Can I just have one of those?
Might as well do a half dozen.
Right, that's it. 123. And then if they would have tried one.
Thank you.
All right.
So we used to ride by here on our bikes almost every morning when we used to come here, and there was always a long line at this restaurant. We never stopped, but they have fresh apple cider donuts. So this morning we're trying one. See if it's worth it. It's good. 5 bands.
Very good.
How many vans?
5 out of 5.
Nice. I guess Steve liked it. Good to the last lick. We made it to the end of the boardwalk, and that in the distance is Atlantic City.
So we made it to the end of the boardwalk. And right over there is Missouri.
Don't listen to him, it's not true. More sand dunes. I love my sand dunes.
Audra and her sand dunes. Look out, everybody.
They're so cool over there.
Come on, Audra.
What a nut. Oh my gosh, what a nut.
A lot colder water than what we're used to in South Florida.
And it's really brown. I was kind of surprised. So we rode our bikes to the end of the boardwalk, and now you can see in the distance the main part of the boardwalk and all the activities up the beach. I think we're probably about a mile away. There are a lot of shells and stuff on this beach. I'll have to look around for a little bit. Got some shells from me and some shells from my mama. Ah, the boardwalk. Nice hat. So this wonderland has been here for as long as I can remember. Unfortunately, it's not open right now, but it's still just a kind of a cool building to see at the end of the developed part of the boardwalk. So one thing about Ocean City, there's not a lot of mature trees, and the houses are really packed close together. We're gonna head to Cape May next, where it'll be very different.
Wow, that smells amazing.
Doing a little cleanup before we get back on the road. And shaving, I guess. Vacuuming and shaving. Nice job, Steve. So we really enjoyed our time in Ocean City, especially since it's been so many years since we've been here. It was fun to get back. Now we're gonna make a quick stop at the library. We're gonna load our weekly video, do some other work, and then we're gonna take you to Cape May, New Jersey, which we think is one of the coolest little towns. Did you know there's some popular people who have come to Ocean City? Look, there's Mark Twain. Mr. Shakespeare himself. So this is what's happening in here. Loading videos for the week and some Instagram, and there's Steve. So we're only allowed one person at a time in the room here with the desk, so this is what Steve's doing to kill time. He found himself a little stool. So a special thanks to the Ocean City Public Library. Mission accomplished here today. It was a little weird with their rules, But we got done what we needed to get done. We got our video for the week loaded, got some work done, did some social media posts. So now it's time to get this van back on the road. Next stop, Cape May.
Make sure to tune in next week as we share our very favorite New Jersey beach town with you. You won't want to miss this uniquely beautiful seaside town. Thanks for watching and joining us on this adventure. Drop us a comment to let us know you're watching and what you'd like to see next.